This is the solar bubble stake lights. It's actually on Wayfair. It's called Acrylic Low Voltage Solar Powered Pathway Light. It's a set of 6, and I bought 2 sets of them. So this is how it is when you open the box. There's 6 of each. There's no assembly required. All you need is to put the stake in and then the light on the other end of that clear rod. That's the one that lights up. So this is the one that you charge in the sun, and then it provides the power to the clear rod. It has different colors, so there's also a switch in there. So all you need to do is just attach it. That's it. This is attach that part and then the stake to all 6 of them, and it should be good to go. Yeah, just give yourself time to do the attachments. I'm actually just doing it with one hand, so you see I'm dropping it, but yep, those are the colors that you see. It changes on its own, so that's the switch right there. The item actually came in charged, so you're able to try it as soon as you're done assembling them. I'm gonna make it faster for you, the assembly. See, that's how easy it is. You can assemble it with one hand. And those are all the 6 of them. So when you open the box, make sure all of them are in good condition. You do have 30 days to return. This is from wayfair.com. The information would be at the very end, as well as reviews from the website. But here I turned them on and I turned the lights off because it's daytime right now, so I'm not gonna be able to show you the color. But here is where I purchased it from, Wayfair. So it's actually cheaper now. I had purchased it a little bit expensive at that time, but that's fine. I did order it on the 19th, and it came on the 22nd, so it was pretty fast. So with Wayfair, you do have an option to return the item, and on the Wayfair website as well, it will give you details of the item if you want to take a look into it. It's the acrylic low voltage solar powered pathway light. It's set of 6, and there's also reviews there which you can quickly glance here. I'm going to slow it down for you. Right now, I just had it for a couple of weeks. It's still working. It doesn't give us a lot of light. Don't expect it to like light up your backyard or front yard. It's just the color is attractive. It has enough light to to light up a small area where you place the stake at, but otherwise it's not gonna be like bright. It's just the color is attractive. A couple of details are, a lot of the details are on the website, so I'm just showing you where I ordered it from, the overview of the product, details, so it's all in there. But otherwise, thank you for watching and please subscribe.